Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Want to Step. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Genshin Impact account on your mobile device. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to create a new account on Genshin Impact, go ahead and tap on Register Now from the login box. Once you tap on Register Now, a new tab will open up. Here, you can go ahead and register by your email. Go ahead and enter a valid email address into the email text field. Once you do that, go to the verification code text field and tap on Send Code. Go through a little verification process over here by simply adjusting the puzzle to the puzzle piece and wait for the code to arrive on your email address that you just entered. Once you receive the email, a verification code will be attached to it. Simply type in the verification code in the text field. Once you're done, move on to the next field and type in a password for your account. Make sure your password is 8 to 30 characters long. After you're done, confirm the password by typing it again into the confirm password text field. Now, tap on I have read and agreed to the terms of service and privacy policy box and tap on register. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to create Genshin Impact account on your mobile device. Tap on the screen to start the game and enjoy. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.